Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read from the title, I will be attempting to make a DIY on these Balenciaga dupes. I actually bought these shoes a couple days ago from Arden and they were way cheaper than how much you would buy the original ones. What you'll actually need is to make this DIY is a black tape. I'm just going to be using a electric tape because I couldn't find any other black tape at my house. So I'm just going to be using this black tape, and basically we're just going to be placing the tape onto the shoe like this. It should basically look just like this. Another thing you will need is a white fine pointed marker to create the logo. So the tape that I had placed onto the shoe, when I tried making the logo on towards it, it was not working. So I had to place the tape on the table, and once I'm done, I'll just stick the tape on the shoe afterwards. I am making the logo a bit bigger compared to the actual size of the fonts that are used to create this logo because I'm making the video and so you guys can see it clearly. But if you guys want, you guys could make the logo a bit smaller, like the original size, but I'm making it a bit bigger for you guys so you guys can actually see it clearly. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And also, don't forget to tag me if you guys do want to attempt doing this DIY. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys. See you next time. Take care.